Cooking verb list in English for daily use. Peel, P-E-E-L, peel. Bake, B-A-K-E, bake. Boil, B-O-I-L, boil. Melt, M-E-L-T, melt. Pinch, P-I-N-C-H, pinch. Fry, F-R-Y, fry. Roast, R-O-A-S-T, roast. Taste, T-A-S-T-E, taste. Roll out, R-O-L-L-O-U-T, roll out. Mix, M-I-X, mix. Steam, S-T-E-A-M, steam. Chop, C-H-O-P, chop. Grate, G-R-A-T-E, grate. Layer, L-A-Y-E-R, layer. Grill, G-R-I-L-L, grill. Dip, D-I-P, dip. Mash, M-A-S-H, mash. Marinate, M-A-R-I-N-A-T-E, marinate. Soak, S-O-C-K, soak. Cut, C-U-T, cut. Slice, S-L-I-C-E, slice. Knead, K-N-E-A-D, knead. Barbecue, B-A-R-B-E-C-U-E, barbecue. Add, A-D-D, add. Saute, S-A-U-T-E, saute. Break, B-R-E-A-K, break. Glaze, G-L-A-Z-E, glaze. Spread, S-P-R-E-A-D, spread. Blend, B-L-E-N-D, blend. If you learn more, subscribe my channel, like and share.